Your system definitely, it's one of the most, it's one of the easiest system I've used, and also the support is one of the most responsive.
Right.
I've worked with. The system was designed by a team of people who are really expert in purchasing and procurement. Accounting was leading the selection effort, and they have deep knowledge in the chart of accounts and cost accounting, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
And they ask very specific questions, whether you can do this, whether you can do that,
Yeah.
and you answer all the questions, and it proved it. The product has very strong functionality.
Fantastic.
I think first thing is this efficiency, right? And before a request approval process, that would involve maybe 30 different emails back and forth, and this system definitely helped us to reduce the emails. And also the system will have a history. I think history and data integrity is another thing.
Yeah.
It has the history, and you can trace back, and you find problems, you can find areas to improve. That we need a system to do that.
And would you say that it's met the objectives of what you initially were looking for?
Yeah, definitely. And it's very easy to use, very easy to train. I think our engineers, probably because we have the best people in the world, they're very smart. I only delivered one training.
Right.
It's very rare people come to me to ask, hey, can you show me how to use this system? Always very specific question. Never like, oh, this system is so threatening to me, I cannot do anything. It was very intuitive tool, very quick. I didn't see any time lag at all from my side, and I didn't hear any complaint about that. My boss, Peter Hazenkamp, has a very positive view, and the engineer leads sometimes they don't like any systems, right? It's very natural, but they adapt very quickly.
Right.
And Peter and I and my team is a big advocate for this tool. You got to convince the top management, right? And that also showcases your ability to make it pretty, to make whatever we ask. So I was very impressed that basically you did everything I asked. It was really good. That money well spent. Yeah. I think the charging part we really appreciate, because at startup we always kind of under budget control, right? And you guys are very helpful. Some small changes, like the changes are arranged like within certain scope.
Sure.
You just do it right away without even like asking about like money, where money is not a big deal. But when it's highly customized,
yes,
and then you quote, it's very reasonable price. Lately we've done a big changes in the cost center approval. The cost centers, we completely phase out the old cost centers and have a different set of cost centers aligned with department.
Okay.
So it was totally a great experience, because I just deactivated the old ones and added new ones. Almost nothing was impacted right away. This tool thought through everything basically, and the pending requests shift to the new cost centers, new set of people right away. How did you guys design that? It was amazing. I did my test first and make sure, okay, things should go smoothly, and it did. And your technical guys really understand the questions we ask. That's something, because sometimes the technical guys, they can be nice, they have good attitude, but they don't know the product very well. I think that's sometimes the problem of the big company support.
Yes. And
they outsource it, and people are not well trained, and the turnover rate is very high. And you made the, we asked for 1,000 characters in the explanation box, and you did that, and it was really helpful. And the box we can format. It was like a Word document. You can format. You can do, make it pretty and easy to use. I'm very impressed.